Hello, I'm Greg Antoinette. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Would you like to read and write in English language within 1 month? There are tricks you can learn to be able to read and write in English language. You will never forget the letter I with the tricks I will be showing you in this video. If you want to follow up on the tricks I reveal on how to read and write in English language, then subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. Hold on. Have you been following my videos? I love you. You are precious. You should also try to watch the previous episodes so that you can be able to understand this video. To learn how to read and write in English language, you must know how to pronounce the English alphabet. In the English alphabet, every letter comes in the small letter and the capital letter. There are 26 letters of the alphabet. The small letter I and the capital letter I is the 9th letter of the alphabet. There are 2 letters on the screen. The first is the capital letter I, and the second is the small letter I. The first trick you must know is that all letters in English language, in whatever you are reading it from, is always moving to the right side of the hand. The letter I is pronounced as I. 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 Let me give you a trick to always remember the pronunciation. The sound I is similar to the part of the body that you use to see. I. Keeping this in mind, you will never forget the letter I sound. Another trick is to know the particular part of the mouth to use when pronouncing the letter I. When pronouncing the letter I, the mouth is open down, then the middle tongue touches the middle teeth to produce the I sound. Another thing you need to know is that English alphabet has phonic sounds. The phonic sound of letter I is E, E, E. If you don't want to forget the E sound, then remember the sound most African people make to express surprise, especially in the southern part of Nigeria. E, E. Keeping this in mind, you will never forget the E sound. The middle tongue will touch the inner teeth to produce the E sound. So, what other country do you know that uses the E sound to express surprise? Drop it in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. So, letter I sounds E. Let's recite it and say it quickly. Letter I sounds E. 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 Wow! Great job! Examples of English words that begins with letter I sound E are E as in ink, E as in igloo, E as in insect. Another trick I will tell you is that the English alphabet is formed with the different placement of a stroke, a curve, and a dash. You can look on the screen to see the diagrams. For the small letter I, it is formed with a stroke and a dot on top. The capital letter I is formed with a stroke. So, what is a dot? Find the answer. Drop it in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching my video. I'll see you in the next episode. Bye-bye.